Hi guys, so today let's do some food reviews and I got some like these yummy snacks. Let's go. So first we got this shape original. These are pizza flavor. Let's try it. Oh, let's see what it is like. Mmm, mmm, delicious. Mmm. Got barbecue and chicken crispy. Very good. I'm gonna call it 10. Start we got this like popular gummies. I'm gonna try the bar. Oh. Oh. Wait, why is it cut open? Oh. So it's like this is orange. I mean it's green. Try it. What is this flavor? What? I think the juice is a green apple. I mean the gum is alright. I got the watermelon. I can't show my cat. She's sleepy. I touch her. She bite me. Yeah, this is another green one. Let's try it, I guess. It's like the same as the football. It's sour. That's good. Let's try the eyeball. Uh, ah! I just wanted to try. First time I tried this, it was the Pokemon one, and I didn't know how to open it. Now I know. Okay, let's try this one. This one, the white flavor. Oh, strawberry. I rate this 8 out of 10. Because sour. Yeah, it's sour, but this is too much sour, bro. Next one is the Cheetos jalapeno. What the fuck? Yeah. Wow, I didn't know it was that strong. What is this? I just smelled it with tongue. I just smelled it. Let's try it. I don't like it. I don't like jalapenos. I don't like it. I don't like it. I rate this. A 0. Not 0, just like 4, 3. It's not that good. I don't like it. Okay. Well, that was a disappointment. I thought I liked Cheetos. I don't. Let's just continue eating this. In the next video, I will